Welcome back, guys. So today I'll be showing you on how you can install Fortnite on iOS devices when you live outside the EU. So first thing that you need to do, you first need to open your browser. Then you type in the browser Scarlet iOS. This is a software that will allow us to sideload IPA files directly from the web or directly from the downloads, the file folders into our devices. So after you've searched for Scarlet iOS, you go to the first option, which is the official website, and then you click on it. When you open the web page, of course it takes long and it has a lot of ads. So what you need to do is just need to read through the instructions that will be displayed and cancel out all the ads. Okay, so it has fully loaded, so it will give you instructions of how you can get Scarlet, and it will give you all their official updates and what's to come. So you go to the bottom and just click on the install button. So once you click on the install button, you just go ahead and click on direct install, which will first and install the Scarlet. So it will count down to 0. Then to give you a prompt to open the page in iTunes, then you just go ahead and click it and then you install it. From there, you go to the main menu. You'll see the application will start loading. So at this point, make sure you have the IPA file for Fortnite already downloaded in your downloads. Of course, it's going to prompt a trusted enterprise developer, of which you have to give authorization for it to install. So how do we do that? You go to your settings, general, then you scroll down up to where you see VPN and device management. Then you just go ahead and click on the company that it will display, which is Sunshine Insurance Group. Yes, then you go ahead and trust Sunshine Insurance Group. That's all, guys. Then we go back to the main menu, go to your downloads folder, click on the Fortnite IPA you downloaded. It will open Scarlet, then browse to the folder where Fortnite is and click on it once more. Then the installation process will begin. So once the installation process is done, to ask you to install, press install. Then there will be a download button, choose to download. So we wait for the installation process to finish. Once it's done, just open the Fortnite app.